Hello, my name is Jim Hitter. I'm at Mills Ford in Brainerd, and I've got a 2006 Ford F150, stock number 1U110090. Got the guard on the front, bug deflector, fog lamps, chrome rockers, trim, window vents, matching fiberglass topper, alloy aluminum rims, chrome step. The FX4 off-road, sliding windows on the topper, keypad entry, power seat, power locks, power windows, automatic headlights, pedal adjusters, 6-in dash CD, 5 passengers, the black cloth interior, sliding windows in between, moonroof, very well loaded, very nice truck. A lot of room for your passengers or your luggage. Line-X lifetime liner in there, in the box liner. Tow package. Mills Automotive Group has over 400 used cars, trucks, many that are factory certified. Your managers spend a lot of time checking the markets to make sure our prices give you the most value for your money. Every used vehicle purchase includes a 1-year membership in the Mills Elite Advantage program that can save you thousands at over 200,000 merchants nationally. You may have to earn money towards your next vehicle purchase from the Mills Automotive Group. Very nice truck, well taken care of. Bought new here at Mills. Serviced here. Very nice.